Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you remove your exterior door handle in case you need to replace it or the door lock is broken and you want to put a new one in. We need to pop this little cover here. And with that cover removed, we have a head in there that we can get to, which is a T30. Okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to just loosen it. And as you loosen it, this handle on the exterior doesn't generally come all the way off, but it comes loose enough that you can pull this handle out. We've backed that screw all the way off, and then we can move this around a little bit. So just kind of wiggle it out back and forth and up and down. All right. And so you can remove that right there. This is what was really kind of holding it in there, and it should have undid that clip first and then pop this off. Goodness. Undid this, which you just slide them like that, and that's what holds them in there. But you just slide it out like that, and then you can pop this off, and then it would have been a bit easier to pop out. Still got to wiggle it and get it to go the right direction, and then pop it out. So that's how you remove the lock part itself. You get the handle. So the handle, if you pull out a little bit, pull, and then pull it away from the vehicle to the back of the vehicle, then that releases the whole handle itself. And then that if you just reach your hand in there, you can pop this whole piece out to be able to fix and or replace. And that's where this cable goes. And this is the cable that was hooked to the door lock actuator that we undid. So if something is broken in here, I mean, it's going to be hard to break this piece of plastic here, but if you need to, it's more, something would break in this for your door handle itself, not to stop working. But you buy this as all one full unit and you'll put it back in the vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.